Hey guys, today I'm checking out this high lumen flashlight that I received for viewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice one because it comes with different functions that I think they're gonna be really nice. Okay, let me take it out of the box that it comes included with the instruction manual and a USB-A to Type-C charging cable. Okay, and then we have really well protected the proper main unit. As you can see, this is it. It has a vent, and here we have a protective film that we're gonna take off. Okay. As you can see, we can turn on this light, okay? We can change the brightness, the mode, and we have this other one, okay? A little bit more concentrated, okay? Which I think that it's really nice. You can use it to charge your phone as it has a USB Type-C charging port and a USB-A. It's upon this side, and you can use one as a power bank function and the other one just as charging, okay? I have this strap right here. Okay, it's ready, and well, let's test it out in the complete darkness. Okay, let's go. Okay, now that it's dark, we can use it. Okay, we have this handheld mode, as I've said. It has different brightness, this red light, and this flashing one for any kind of situation where we need it. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. We have a display with the battery life, making it really useful, and this is the proper and simple light. Okay, we also have different brightness to it and modes. This flash one, I think that it's really nice. This SOS one, in case that we need it, as you can see. Turn it off. What I think that it's great is that it has a zoom. As you can see, you can zoom it in case that you need it, making it really nice. It's quite nice, and you can use it when you're going camping. As I've said, it has a power bank function, making it a really nice tool to have with you. This flashlight delivers a concentrated beam that can reach up to 3,000 feet even in fog or rain. The adjustable focus lets you switch from a wide floodlight to a narrow spotlight, making it perfect for camping, hiking, emergencies, or night walks. With the two light sources and separate control buttons, you get the maximum flexibility, and as it is powered by a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can deliver up to 30 hours of continuous light. The LCD power display shows exactly how much battery remains, so you'll never cut off guard. And with the built-in USB-C charging port, it makes recharging simple. The USB output even doubles as an emergency power bank to charge your phone, earbuds, or other small devices. It's crafted from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, and it's practically indestructible. It can withstand drops of up to 10 feet and can survive being run over by a truck. With its waterproof design and rubber sealing ring, it's ready for any kind of weather: rain, snow, or even storms. As you can see, it combines brightness, endurance, and a rugged design, giving you a reliable source anytime. Overall, I think that it's a really nice flashlight. As you can see, it's quite handy, it's quite small, the grip is excellent, and I think that it can be perfect to use it when you're going camping or in any situation that you need a flashlight at hand. I think that this is a really nice one. Different features makes it a great one to have it at hand and ready in any case of in any situation. Overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.